What's going on? Yeah, cut that. What's going on, guys? Welcome back. If you guys are subscribed, thank you guys so much. If you guys are not, hit that subscribe button, help me out. Hit the like button too, that helps me out as well. Today we're gonna be doing a review on my wheels, tires, and the leveling kit, because I just went on a trip. I went to Laughlin. I didn't get to record. I'll put some clips on here if I can. And just relaxing, chilling out there. But today the review, no, not me, mama, not me. The kids out here playing. But the review on the tires and the wheels. So I got some Vision rockers. Check it out. So I got Vision rockers. They're 22 by 12. I believe 33 offset or 31 offset. No, sorry, negative 51 offset. So sorry. So 22 by 12. 22 by 12 on the wheels, negative 51 offset. That's what I got. It looked pretty big. The lip's pretty massive. I know it's dirty right now. It's very dirty, but it's pretty good lip. Vision rockers. The tires are KANATI's. They are they're 33s by 12.5, and they're mud tires. And I thought they're gonna be loud. These are not loud at all. Not at all. Also underneath, I got, can't really tell, but right here on top of the strip right here, I got torch kit, torch leveling kit. That's what it is. Torch leveling kit. It's like $200, you know, $150 or whatever. Very cheap, and it's on the bottom too. So one part you put on the top, and you put the little things on the bottom. Watch it. You can barely see them. Things right there. But yeah, so the wheel setup is very aggressive. No, mama, not me. It's very aggressive, the wheel setup. It does rub, as you can tell. Full lock right here in the back, because I'm on just on the leveling kit. That's it. I'm not lifted or anything like that. So I rub, and my buddy from Cruise Design, Kyle, he just chopped it out for me. I was like, hey, bro, just chop it out. You know, I gotta put my mud guards back on. But just chop it out for me, and yeah, that's how far we went, pretty much. We took out all of this, and the same on the other side. It rubs over here barely, you know, on this side. But yeah, so it rubs barely right here on full lock. The back, it doesn't rub no more since we did that cutting, so you can see a better picture. But yeah, the wheel setup, I love the wheel setup. If you guys like it, then like this. Also, my truck is a 2015 Silverado LT. It's not 4x, so I'm gonna see everybody in the comments, oh, not 4x. No, it's not 4x. But I did take it off, and over there in Laughlin, I had a trailer. Not a big trailer, I had like a small little trailer, little mini trailer of a Sea-Doo, you know, little pulling, little something tiny. But in there in the dirt, you know, going up and down, you know, smacking. So it did very good. I thought it was gonna be bad and shit like that. I was gonna rub or probably break something, you know. So you will rub if you guys want the setup, you know, 22 by 12. 33 for the wheels. I mean for the tires, 33 by 12 and a half for the tires, and pretty good. I will be doing a lift kit, probably like a 4-inch. I don't want nothing too crazy. You know, I am gonna put a step on it too, of course. I got a muffler delete and resonator delete. So yeah, just straight pipe the rest. I still got my cats. So little by little, the truck is awesome. You guys know, best tire shop, hit them up. Ralph's Mufflers. Let's do the mufflers. There's my boy's brand right here. He's gonna be selling some shirts, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, hi mama. Go get your sister, not me. But yeah, so pretty dope setup. If you guys like the video, love the truck, want more videos, like, please help me out. Look at my finger all fucked up and shit. Like. So if you guys like my content, I have all kinds of content on there. I got videos of Vegas, hotel review, my slot play on there. I got some comedy stuff. I got some other comedy shorts, you know, videos in there. But yeah, if you guys like my stuff, please subscribe, like, share if you guys can, comment. more videos of the truck and more videos of other things too as well. Catch you guys later, all right?